studying? Should I like ad lib on the spot? Or should I already know my...
I ad lib, and I don't necessarily have a story, but I give them reasoning. I move things around in my head. But see, what I heard you say almost sounds like you're making something up. I want it to be accurate, right? And so if I know what my limits are, if I know that I'm willing to, on a $10,000 deal, on a few of them, cover $2,000, but damn it, I want a video testimonial. Well, now I know what my limits are, okay? Now, depending on what's going on, I might be able to say, listen, it's we're getting ready to head into the holiday season right now, and we have nothing to do. We're a B2B company. However, every single year, this time of year, now my speak is different because I own a company, but I'm just going to tell you a true story. Our cost for advertising goes up like 211% because everybody's fighting for that space because they're trying to sell holiday stuff. I'm trying to sell sales coaching. Okay, it would be really helpful if I had some stuff that I could use on social media right now where I wasn't having to do pay-per-click or PPC. Okay, if you're going to bring the whole team on, it's $10,000. I will cover $2,000 of your first month for you if you're willing to, after that first month, after rollout, after you guys get some wins, but before November 1st, if you'll agree to at least let me ask you for a video testimonial. Having that piece of footage, it can be informal, you can just point your phone at your face, would be worth $2,000 for me. If you can agree to do that, we don't have to put it in the contract, I trust you, right? If we can just agree that that's a possibility if we over-deliver, I'll pick up $2,000 of the case. That's an example of, I know what I'm willing to give, but then I'm also bringing up what's going on in the world around us. I will teach you how to close right now, but not right here. We've got a course on Easton University. It's normally $300. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it for you right now. Click the link in my bio. I will cover the cost for you to get the closing course. It is the easiest curriculum we've ever went through. You're going to learn how to close. You're not going to be pushy. You're not going to be manipulative. You will double, triple, quadruple your closing rate when you go through that course. So I'll buy it for you. We'll cover it right now. Click the link in my bio.